welcome back. This is Nick Fong with Ronival Real Estate. Today I have a special guest, Dr. Werner.
Hi, thank you for having us here, Nick.
Absolutely. We're outside of the H+ Hospital here in San Jose del Cabo, and we're going to be asking questions about medical care here in Los Cabos, and specifically also some questions about COVID-19. So the first question I have, Dr. Werner, is how many years has H+ Hospital been here?
Okay, so the hospital opened its doors 5 years ago, exactly April 2015. And since then, we have been working in providing quality services, healthcare services, and we have acquired 2 certifications by the National Healthcare Council, which happens to be Consejo de Salubridad General, and recently the Canadian Healthcare Council.
Oh, great. All right, so Dr. Werner, how many doctors are in H+ and what kind of specialties do they have?
Okay, so we have around 200 doctors, not limited to, with different specialties and subspecialties. So it's among 35 different specialties and subspecialties, but not limited to as well.
Okay. For example, what kind of specialties do you have?
Well, we have like neurosurgery, orthopedics, urology, gynecology, internal medicine, intensive care medicine, so pediatrics, ophthalmology, so many specialties.
Well, fantastic. And what's your specialty?
Hospital administration.
Okay, there you go, hospital administration. With all those specialties, are there certain specialties that are more requested?
Yes, of course. So one of the most requested is orthopedics as well. Also internal medicine, general surgery, urology, as I mentioned already, critic medicine. So those are like the most looked to. Also neurosurgery and spine surgery.
So Dr. Werner, a big thing that clients of ours ask is medical tourism.
Okay.
I'd like to know your opinion on medical tourism and what does H+ offer?
Okay, so medical tourism is a great industry for our country. Mexico is one of the most looked up countries for these medical treatments. Well, it could be among pricing, quality, warmth, reduced waiting time. So here in Cabo, it's really important for our state because it's one of the states where expats like living. Also, we have thousands of tourists coming each year. So it's really important for us. It's huge. Also, Cabo has the only private hospital with double certification, as I mentioned before, which happens to be H+ hospital. And well, we're located in this one-stop location, which is Coral Center. We have a hotel here, we have pharmacy, medical specialty towers, we have a gym, a spa, so basically whatever you want to look at.
So basically you can live here?
Yeah.
There you go. You have the hotel, you have food, you have workout. I think Modu's gym is here. Shout out to Modu. And you can get your medical procedures done all in H+ and the Coral Center.
Yeah.
So Dr. Werner, a lot of our clients have international healthcare plans. Do you guys accept them? How does that work?
Okay, so the hospital works with different insurance plans. We have national and international companies working with us and our patients. So we have an insurance department which our community can call in or send an email to ask how do we work with their insurance plan.
Perfect. All right, Doc, let's talk numbers.
Okay.
What does it cost for a specialist, like an appointment with a specialist?
Okay, so now we have here in our medical offices around 32 different specialist doctors working with us. Each specialty has different rate for the medical appointment. So when you call in to make an appointment, you can ask for the pricing, which is very approachable.
A range, you would say?
Well, it may vary. Really, it could be from $50 and above.
Okay. I can say from personal experience that healthcare is a lot cheaper, and as Dr. Werner has mentioned, you know, specialist appointments starting at around $50. That's very inexpensive when you start looking at what it costs, especially in America, for an appointment with a specialist. All right, Dr. Werner, does the hospital offer any special health plans for our clients or the general public?
Okay, so the hospital works with different benefits and services that we offer to different communities or some different companies, which we work by agreement, so we're open to develop any product or outcome your community will ask for, so we can.
All right, Dr. Werner, so in the time that we're in right now with COVID-19, a lot of our clients in the US and in Canada are concerned about the healthcare system. What special precautions is H+ Hospital taking?
Okay, good question. So before the first case appeared here in Cabo, the hospital already had worked and developed a plan, an action plan for the hospital to offer our patient security and also our workers. So one of the main things you could see of this plan is the hospital is divided by physical barriers in two areas. One is for non-respiratory symptom attention and one is for respiratory symptom attention. So now we are attending patients, asymptomatic patients, patients with mild symptoms, moderate symptoms, until severe symptoms. We have different intensive care units. We count with internal medicine specialists, critical care specialists, also the pneumologist is here with us. So we have had wonderful outcome following this action plan.
Well, that's fantastic. And does H+ offer testing and also the antibody test?
Yes, actually, since a couple months we're offering the PCR test, which is the genetic material of the virus. And also we are offering already the antibody test. We are in a couple days going to reveal now the rapid test as well, so that offers 3 different tests for COVID-19. Okay,
fantastic. And is there pricing on those tests?
The PCR test, which we are doing through drive-through,
okay,
it's 6,500 pesos, Mexican pesos, okay, including tax.
I know you're very busy. I appreciate your time, especially in the midst of COVID-19. And that's it. So this is Fong with Ronival Real Estate. Bye for now.
Bye.